The Japanese verb suru is translated as do in English, but this verb is a lot more than just do. We use this verb a lot more than people use do in English. In this video, you will learn how to expand your repertoire of Japanese expressions by utilizing this verb to create natural Japanese sentences. To say play a video game, we don't use the verb asobu, which means to play. We use the verb suru instead. ビデオゲームをします。I play a video game. ゲームセンターでゲームをします。I play a game at the arcade. To say play sports, we don't use the verb 遊ぶ either. We use する instead. For example, バスケットをします。I play basketball. 野球をしました。I played baseball. We use する combined with a noun to express actions similar to various verbs in English. For example, to study, we say 勉強する or 勉強する. We sometimes use the particle を to treat a noun as a direct object, but some other times を is omitted. With を, it sounds a bit more formal. However, in some cases, we have to use the one without を to avoid repetition of を. For example, if you want to say, I study Japanese, you have two options. 日本語を勉強します. In this sentence, the object of studying is Japanese language, so the particle is placed after 日本語, so that the verb portion is 勉強します. You can also say 日本語の勉強をします. In this case, Japanese language study is the object, and adding を right after that. Similarly, you can use many other nouns with する to talk about different things you do. For example, 料理をする or 料理する means to cook. デートをする or デートする means to date. 会議をする means to have a meeting or conference. 仕事をする means to work. 運動をする means to exercise. 心配する means to worry. You can also say にする to mean you decide on something. For example, you go to a cafe and you decided to order coffee. Then you can say コーヒーにします. I will take coffee. You decided the date for a trip. Then you may say 旅行は17日にしました. I decided to go to a trip on 17th. I hope this video helped you understand how you can use する in many ways. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. You can also participate in daily quizzes from the community section. If you have any requests for Japanese grammar to be covered, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.